In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a Gmail account to Yahoo Mail so you can manage your messages from one place. This is really helpful if you're tired of switching between tabs or apps and just want everything neatly organized inside Yahoo. First, go ahead and open Yahoo Mail. You can do this in a web browser on your computer or using the Yahoo Mail app on your device. Make sure you're signed in to the Yahoo account where you want your Gmail messages to appear. If you're on a shared device, it's a good idea to double check you're in the right account before you continue. Once you're in your inbox, look for the settings option. On the web, you'll usually find a small gear icon near the top right corner of the screen. Click on that to open the settings menu. You might see a quick settings panel at first. From there, look for a link or section that says something like More Settings to get to the full settings page. In the full settings view, find and select the mailboxes section. This is where Yahoo lets you manage all the email accounts connected to your Yahoo Mail. Inside the mailboxes area, you'll see any existing mailboxes that are already linked. To add your Gmail account, look for an option that says Add Mailbox. Click on that and you'll be presented with a list of email providers Yahoo can connect to. From this list, choose Google. That tells Yahoo you want to connect to Gmail account. After selecting Google, a new window or pop-up will appear asking you to sign into your Gmail account. Here, enter the email address you want to connect. If you're already signed into a Google account in your browser, you might see it listed and can just select it. Otherwise, type in your Gmail address, then continue to the password step and sign in securely. Take your time here to make sure you're using the correct Gmail account, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're signed in, Google will show you a permission screen. This is where Gmail explains what access Yahoo Mail is requesting. Typically, Yahoo will ask for permission to read, send, and manage your Gmail messages so it can pull your emails into Yahoo and let you reply from there. Read through the permissions so you understand what you're allowing. If everything looks good, click the option to allow access. After you grant access, you'll be taken back to Yahoo Mail. It may take a moment while Yahoo connects to your Gmail account. You should now see your Gmail listed under mailboxes in the settings. From here, you can usually adjust options like how your Gmail name appears when you send mail from Yahoo, or which reply address is used by default. Give it a little time for Yahoo to sync your messages, especially if your Gmail inbox is large. Once the sync is complete, you'll be able to see your Gmail emails inside Yahoo Mail and manage them like you would any other message. Read, reply, archive, or delete, all from your Yahoo interface. And that's it. You've successfully added your Gmail account to Yahoo Mail, making it much easier to keep track of everything from one inbox.